If you say anything here, I will beat you black and blue. Try me. Today you see madness. Yes. You put me. Cherenna! What is it?
Who is your baby? What is all this nonsense now? How many times have I told you you should stop calling me that name? What do you want?
Cherenna, Chegobere. Chere? I've been calling you. Don't snub me. Why? Why you snubbing me? Baby, I love you so much. If I'm a villager, I don't try now. 3 years. 3 good years. I don't harass you. I'm raising my matter now. I can take care of you. I go buy lion for you. I can take care of you.
Shut up your mouth! You go buy lion for you. You don't buy lion for yourself. You don't buy lion for your parents. What do you mean by that? You want to take care of me with which money? Or you think I've not heard of the stories, the terrible stories about you? How you oppress people and collect innocent people's money. I've heard stories about you.
Calm down. Cool down for Jesus. See, I have investments. I have so many things ahead. I got big plans.
Close your mouth. Shut up your mouth. Look at how your mouth is smelling. Let me tell you something. If you want someone like me, go and work hard. Go to school. Then we can talk about it. The next time you will stop me and tell me this nonsense, I will pour you steaming water, hot water on you. Just take a look at me and take a look at you. Are you even close to my spec? No, are you even close? The next time I will hear that nonsense from you, you will not like me. You want to marry me? Baby. You are mad.
Baby, marry me now.
You are very... I will just slap you now, idiot.
Baby, slap me. Slap. Figonya, see who I'm managing. You never marry in this village.
You are the one that will never get married. Look at this Tamara. You want me to get married to you? Shwa!
I'll give you a villager. I will frustrate you in this village.
It is your people that you will frustrate.
It will be anything. It will be anything.
Idiot.
I'll come back for you. But Yawana, I will show you see for this village. When me and you take, I will surely jam you.
Did you people pray? Come on, say a short prayer, please.
Mama, I just checked the pots now and there's no food in the pot, and that's supposed to be my own food because I dished out everybody's food before going to fetch water.
Have you finished fetching water?
No, I'm not finished fetching
The
water.
drum, is it full?
No, it's just remaining one bucket.
Okay, go and fetch the one bucket. Then when you come back, we talk about food.
Mama, I'm very, very hungry. I've not eaten since morning. Let me just join my sister since the food is
Which
finished.
sisters are you joining? Go and fill up the drum. Then when you come back, we talk about food.
Sister Cherenna, don't worry, eh? Just come and sit. I'm almost full. Come.
Come and do what?
I'm almost full.
My friend, go and fetch water. You have to be very careful though. You really need to be careful. I'll hurt you.
Oh, Mama, it's not fair now, eh?
What is not fair?
Eh, Mama, she's not supposed to be doing the chores when Ihoma and I are here. Don't even mention my name.
Go and follow her and do the chores. You know, and you're showing her compassion. Go and share the chores with her.
I want to collect my meat.
Which means?
Sound out your mouth. See your mouth like meat. So you don't give me meat. I will slap you. I will slap you. Come on, let me see.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama is not around. No, please now, stop.
Don't worry. Mama is not around today. Eh? Let me just help you down. Oh? Don't worry now. Yeah. Come. Come inside. Come now. Sister, come. Come and sit down, sister.
You put me in trouble.
She's not around. Eh? Hey, sister, you must be very hungry.
You have no idea. I'm very hungry. Let me go inside.
Sister, wait now. Let me get you something to eat.
Something to eat.
Don't worry, hold on. Eh? I can't be here and you be hungry like this. Just hold on.
Tinde, don't worry now. Don't worry.
Take it easy. What? I don't want to not to catch her. She's not around. Okay, sister, take it easy. See where you're rushing the food.
Oh, get it. Mama. Why were you shouting my name as if your goat is in labor? Oh, get it.
Mama, you don't believe what I just saw with my eyes now.
What did you see?
Mama, I saw Ezine giving Cherenna bread and coke from your shop, oh. Cherenna is just relaxed, enjoying herself outside your shop.
Wait, are you sure of what you're saying?
Mama, I cannot lie to you. I cannot make up stories. Mama, let's go. Cherenna will finish everything in your shop, oh.
Today,
Mama, let's
see
go.
that Cherenna. I will kill her today.
Yes. Today.
Bread and get it.
Bread and coke.
Na shop.
Yes.
Let's go.
Ha. She just enjoying herself.
Bread and get it.
Bread and coke.
Let's go.
Don't worry, take it easy. If you want more, I'll bring for you. Oh? Enjoy yourself.
Jesus! Come here. Is that my bread and mineral? Is that my bread and mineral? Come down. Okay, collect it.
Give me.
Come down.
Mama, she's not at fault.
Come down.
Shut
Come down. If you run, I will kill you.
It's not her fault. It's me that gave it to her.
If you run, oh, you're even swallowing that one. Spit it out. Oh. What gave you the guts?
Mama.
I shoved it down your throat.
Mama, no. I carried what I was passing that.
You were carrying the food on your head.
I was passing.
And fell inside the gutter.
She's the one.
And she. Come here.
Mama, please now.
Shut up.
Mama, please now.
Nonsense. Come and eat. Come and eat bread and my mineral again. Let me see you.
Mama, it's not fair.
Come here. Onyoma Emeka. Hey, pick it. Come on, pick it, Toito. Nonsense. At the end of the month, I will not see anything. Nonsense. Where is that one?
She's inside.
Inside doing what?
Who is Sister Cherenna's mother?
I don't understand. What kind of stupid question is that? Mama is her mother, of course.
Mama, are you sure? With the way Sister Cherenna is being treated in this house, I'm beginning to have doubts. I'm doubting that she's our sister.
Well, Cherenna deserves everything she's getting. She's wicked.
Yes. Wicked?
Yes.
How is she wicked?
According to Mama, Cherenna is responsible for Papa's death.
Really? How? How is she responsible?
I don't know, but that's what Mama said.
But Mama should forgive her. Eh? Even wickedness has to be suspended for a while. She's our sister.
Yeah. Forgive, you say. Did I just hear you say forgive? Cherenna deserves everything she's getting. She's responsible for Papa's death. And she made us fatherless. And Mama a widow, so she deserves everything Mama is doing to her.
But wait though. Don't you feel bad with the way that she's being treated? Don't you feel any empathy at all?
Me? Feel bad for that witch? Never. You hear me? Never. I don't feel any atom of sympathy for that witch. I don't.
Mama. You and Mama will have stone cold hearts. Mirobi Okute.
Let it be. I am my mother's daughter, so I cannot treat her less. Okay? Not like you. I don't even know who you resemble. Mama, you don't resemble. Papa, you don't resemble. I beg. Let me go and do what I'm doing inside. Instead of telling you.
Move.
Mama, please now.
See, after doing all the chores in this house, you wash these clothes. If not, if not, you will not like what I will do to you.
You woke me up to come and wash clothes. I have younger siblings now. Why didn't you tell them to wash the clothes, Mama? Why are you doing this?
You're asking me questions. You're asking me questions. If you like, don't wash. Eh? If you don't wash them, you will not eat for 1 month in this house. Kolom.
Mama!
Will you shut up, my friend? Was I talking to you? If you like, wash it. If you don't, leave it. Nonsense.
See my clothes. Wash them too. And make sure they are sparkling clean. Hey, Mama, why can't you wash your clothes yourself? Will you shut up that your mouth? Eh? Why do we have Cherenna in this house, if not to do all these chores?
Ihoma, you want me to wash your clothes?
Before.
No, sister. Ihoma, what did I do now? What did I do?
Who is your sister? God forbid. I can never be your sister. I cannot be a sister to the one who killed Papa.
Murderer.
I did not kill Papa.
Don't shut up.
I did not kill Papa. Why are you people treating me like this?
Wash these clothes.
Kill
Nonsense.
Papa.
You did not kill.
Wash my clothes with care. I don't want to see
If you like, don't wash
any single stain.
Ihoma.
Inside. What's this one? I'm sorry. Come on, Tessa. I'm so sorry about how Mama and Ihoma have been treating you in this house. Eh?
Isn't it? What have I done? How is it my fault that Papa is dead? I woke up one morning and the next thing I was told that Papa is dead. How is it my fault? Why am I to be blamed? Why me? What did I do? What wrong did I do?
Sister. See, I just think Mama misses Papa so badly. And she's just looking for who to put the blame on.
Then why should she blame me? Why shouldn't she blame you or Ihoma? Why me? Why? Why does she hate me this much? Why? Eh? What?
Sister, I think you have to stop thinking about Mama now. Don't worry. I would rinse and then
No, please. Please, I don't want your mother's trouble. Please. If she comes out and sees you helping me, she will just carry the whole thing and put in the mud, and I'll start all over again, and it's double work for me. I don't want problems. Please. I don't want problems.
Okay. See, I understand, okay? But if you need anything, I'll be in the house, okay? Stop crying.
I miss you so much, Obiora. I know if you were here, you would have lessened my burden. I hope you found a woman better than me. Obiora, I love you so much, and you'll be the only man I will ever love.
honestly don't like the way your mother is treating you.
I don't know what wrong I have done to her. If she doesn't want me, she should marry me off. I still don't understand why she's still keeping me. I don't know.
You know what? I think I will go to see her tomorrow.
Huh?
Yes, maybe. I just want to talk to her, beg her if need be. Who knows, maybe this time she will succumb.
No. You know, the last time you came with your kingsmen, she used cutlass and chased 2 people away. I don't want anything to happen to you.
I know. But we have to keep trying. I mean, if we continue to stay hidden, I am very sure she might never give us the chance to be together. I have to go and see her. I mean, if it means crying for her, let her just see me crying and all that. She might just change her mind.
I pray she listens to you. I pray. Because, yeah, I love you so much and I don't want anything to happen to you.
We'll never know if we don't try. Cherenna, I love you so much. And I don't like seeing you being hurt by that woman. I need to take you very far away from her. Take you to where she will never see you again.
I love you too. And I can't do anything without you.
I know, right? Don't worry, we'll be married.
Yeah, I know.
And we'll live happily ever after. I can't imagine life without you.
Me too. Me too.
Ogini. What is it? Ogini. Will you stand there like a masquerade?
No.
Talk now.
Are you going out?
Is there anything you want me to do for you?
No, Oh, thank God.
What are you doing here? I thought I asked you not to be coming to my compound again.
Yes, Mama, but I brought you something.
Brought me again?
Something, Mama. Just have a look.
Enokwa? You brought me wrapper.
Yes, Mama. I hope you like them.
There are 2. Enokwa?
Yes, Mama.
That's good. What do you want? Because I know you want something.
Mama, it's about Cherenna, your daughter. I am here to beg you to allow me marry her as my wife.
Oh, Mom. You want to marry her? Hey, yeah, you went and bought me clothes. That's nice. Come. Oh, welcome, my son.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Mama. Take. Keep it on the chair for me. Then go to the kitchen. Inside the ngiga, there's bush meat.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Put some inside the plate and bring for him. Oh?
Thank you very much.
Now. Go. Come.
Thank you.
Yay! Take that one and sit. Child, you shouldn't have bought that. Welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, Mama.
You love my daughter that much.
Very much, Mama. I love Cherenna
Yeah.
very much. She's so dear to me.
Try. Let me go and bring the marriage list.
Hey. Hi. Thank you very much, Mama.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you.
Mama. You didn't have to
Thank
bother
you,
now.
Mama. Hey.
Hey.
So finally, I can have Cherenna as my wife. Good. This is good. Hey. It's actually good having chai, you know. Jesus! My eyes!
Your eyes. Your eyes.
My eyes!
What? Jesus! Mama!
Tell your boyfriend never to come to my house again.
What did you do?
I poured him cold water and pepper. Yes. That was what I did.
Mama, why would you do this kind of thing now? Why are you wicked now, Mama? Why? Why would you pour him water? If you don't want me to get married, marry me off now. What is this now? Why now?
Marry you off. You're not going anywhere. You and I will die in this compound. We die here. You're not going anywhere. You're not getting any married. And Biko, I have closed my eyes. If I open my eyes, oh, I will bring boiling water, mix it with acid, and bathe you with it.
This woman wants to blind me.
It's okay. Watch your
Why
lips.
did you go?
It's okay. So
No, you should have waited. No, you should have waited for me. Yeah. Come here. Come and sweep here. Come and mop. Rubbish. The more. Cherenna!
Obiora, what happened? I've been waiting for you now, Are you okay? What's the problem now?
Cherenna, your mother almost blinded me yesterday.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's not about being sorry. I mean, if your mother could pour me pepper and water yesterday, I am wondering what next she would do. I mean, she's capable of doing worse.
I'm sorry. Okay, on my behalf, please forgive my mother. I don't know. I honestly don't know why she doesn't want my success. She doesn't want anything good for me. I don't know. I've been asking myself, but please, okay, just calm down for my sake. Forgive me. Forgive her, please, okay? Please.
Cherenna, I love you very much.
I love you too. I love you so much.
And I know I have promised never to leave you.
Yeah, yes you have.
I am sorry, I will have to break that promise.
Stop now. I said that. What kind of joke is this? I said I'm sorry. Now, have I not asked for forgiveness? Why are you now talking like this now? I said I'm sorry. Sorry now. Oh.
I'll be leaving for the city tomorrow to go stay with my uncle. And I will not be returning.
You are serious?
Yes.
Obiora. I said I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. Are you leaving
Cherenna,
me?
it's not about you. Listen, your mother will never let us be together.
Obiora, what are you saying? Obiora, it's because of you. Anytime I think about you, I forget about the maltreatment. I forget about everything. Obiora, please, you cannot leave me. I said I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. You cannot leave me now. Don't say these things to me. Please.
Cherenna, I need to leave. Trust me, it is the best that can happen to us now. You and I cannot work. I just have to go for peace to reign. Your mother will never let us be together.
Okay, let's just keep fighting now. Let's keep fighting for our happiness. Maybe God will touch our heart.
For how long? Huh? For how long are we going to keep fighting? This thing is not just going to work out. Listen, I have to leave for our good, Cherenna. Stand up. I have to leave. Trust me, if we are meant to be, then somehow the universe will find a way to make us cross paths again.
Stop talking now. Stop talking. I'm sorry, don't leave me. If you leave me, I don't know how to cope. I might just die. Please, Obiora, please. Please, no. Please don't leave me.
I love you very much.
I love you too.
And I know it's going to be very difficult for me to move on. But I have to do it. It is the best that can happen to us.
Obiora, please stop talking now. Stop saying this now. You cannot leave me now. You cannot leave me. How do you want me to leave? How do you want me to survive? Because no, please don't leave me.
Cherenna, we cannot be together.
Hey, stop talking like this now. Stop talking like this now? I said I'm so... Please, oh, please, I beg you. Robin, because please, please, beg you. Please, I'm begging you. Please, I beg you. Please. Obiora, don't do this to me. Obiora, don't do this to me. Please, Obiora. Hey. Obiora. Mama said I should give you this money that you should go to the market.
I'm tired. Why don't you go yourself?
I don't understand. Are you the one to dictate what I'll do in this house? I beg, take this money. Rubbish.
Ihoma!
I missed you.
Yeah,
But
I missed you too.
I'm angry with you.
I know.
I'm angry with you.
I know.
You went to Aba to see your daughter. You didn't even call me. It's not fair.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. My daughter and the husband, they were actually having issues. I had to stay to settle them.
Ah, you did well. So what was the problem?
It's a long story.
Just cut it short and tell your best friend now.
Yeah. You like gist?
Healthy gist. I love gist.
You don't used to change. You is my friend.
I cannot though. I cannot change.
Man, I have to go there. Oh, we'll talk about it some other time.
What is that?
That reminds me. How is Cherenna?
I thought you came here because you missed me. Or did you come because of Cherenna?
I came because I missed you. But at the same time now, Akudo. So you want to tell me you have not still forgiven this girl for what happened in the past? Since so, Akudo, you raised this girl. Why can't you bring yourself to forgiving this girl, Bikono?
Elisa Okenezi. Look, if you don't want us to talk about ourselves, let us discuss something else now. By the way, where is the Aba bread you brought for me?
See,
my bread.
It's at home. I've told you, when next you come to my house, you will take it.
Exactly. Oh, there, boy. Elisa, you and I know that you didn't buy any bread. I know you. I know you too well. You didn't buy any bread for me.
What's this way now? Is this not the way?
Hello, beautiful lady. Hope you don't mind if I give you a lift.
The next time you will stop me again, I will call the village boys on you. The next time you stop me again, I'll call the village boys on you.
you please listen?
Will you get out?
Hey, hello.
Just try me again. You're stopping me. I love you, beautiful woman. I love you. That's your head.
That bread you buy. That bread.
Let me come and be going. Please extend my greetings to my goddaughters.
They will hear.
Ew.
Thank you for stopping by. Because this aba is good on your body. Oh.
Don't leave me. Let me go. Let me go before you kill me with laughter.
Don't forget my bread. Oh.
I will not forget.
My aba bread.
I won't forget that.
Ngwanu, oh? Thank you. Bye bye. Eliwa.
Good afternoon.
My son. Welcome. What do you want to buy?
I don't want to buy anything. Actually, my car broke down, so I don't know if I can get any mechanic around here.
Hey, mechanic. Hey. Where mechanic workshops are is so far away. It's too far. Aye. So he's very handsome and he looks rich. The kind of boy I want for my children. I'll help him anyhow. Yeah, excuse me, my son, come. There's somebody I know that can fix your car for you.
Thank you very much.
But you pay the money for home service.
Mama, money is not a problem. Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna come and wait. Let me rush and call them.
Okay.
Do you want anything? Can I offer you something?
I am fine.
If somebody comes to buy,
I'll just tell the person to wait for you. Yes.
Okay. But you can still sell. But I'm coming.
All right, ma. All right, ma.
Why now? Why do you want to kill yourself with work when I'm here?
No, it's fine. It's okay. I don't want to disturb you.
Sister, don't worry, Mama is not around. And why do you prefer using this old kitchen outside when you can clearly use the kitchen inside?
Ezinne, I like it here. I don't want to disturb your mother in the kitchen. So I even like the air that is here. So it's okay.
Let me help you prepare the leaf, huh?
Don't worry.
I said Mama is not around. And I can't watch you kill yourself with work when I'm here. Wait, let me sit down.
Thank you. That's why I love you. Huh?
I love it too. I can't be here and you're killing yourself with work like this.
Thank you.
My son.
Mama.
This is the mechanic.
Okay, Mama, now who? I got booking at 10K.
Jesus. Which one is 10K? Eh? Booking fee for mechanic.
Mama.
Well, how are you?
Mama, don't worry, okay? Don't worry, sir. I'll give you the money.
So where the car then I'm most at work?
Mama, let me show him the car.
Okay. Sorry, Onna. Sorry. Nah, Rufus, yeah. Hey, Rufus, you're a bad boy. You're cable. Booking fee 10,000 for mechanic. Hey. Oh, Chim, you just be extorting money from me. You are not. Mami, you boy. My son.
Baba.
You're back.
Yes, he's already working on the car.
Thank God.
Sorry, ma. Can I relax here for a while? Hope you don't mind.
I don't mind though. Feel free, oh. Can I get you something very chilled? The weather is not friendly.
Okay.
Is what okay or you want me now?
Anyone at all, I'm cool.
Hi, welcome, Onna. Hi. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, my son. Where are you from?
Oh, I am from the neighboring village.
Oh, okay. What is your name?
My name is Nnamdi Okoroko.
Nnamdi Okoroko. So, what are you doing in this village?
Okay, I have a meeting with the Igwe. My company is in charge of the village market construction.
Hey, whoa, and your car stopped you on your way to the palace. Chai. Sorry. Yeah. Oh. Nah. Are you married?
No, I am not.
Okay. So you will be staying at the palace?
No, the Igwe provided accommodation for my team and I.
That's nice. So, how long are you staying?
Maybe a month or two.
Yeah, you are not a quacker. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, here he comes.
You must go?
I better go now. Sharp.
That's
One touch.
That's nice.
More go now, go check him.
So bad. Mama, come for you. Okay. I'll be right back.
I'm coming. Hey. I hope I come on.
I know you like him. I overheard your conversation with him. Why won't I like him? Am I not a big girl? Ihoma. He's a married man. You dating him will bring a stain to your name. Better end whatever you have with him before it's too late. Please, I've heard you. What do you even know? Please, let's change this topic. I don't want Mama to hear about it.
Hey! Oh, you people are here relaxing.
Mama,
welcome. Oh my God. Hey! Hey!
Mama was the shop today now.
You will not believe what happened today. Come and hear this one. One rich guy came to the shop today and told me that his car broke down. He was looking for a mechanic to fix for him. And I got him a mechanic. Guess how much he gave me?
Mama, he gave me money. How much?
He dashed me 20,000 naira.
Mama, that's a huge money.
I wished he was my son. This wouldn't have been like this.
But Mama, he's not your son. Eh? Mama, don't worry. Your daughters will marry rich men and they will take care of you.
Amen. Oh. Amen. By the way, where is that Cherenna?
Mama, Cherenna is tired, eh? And she's sleeping. But don't worry, anything you want, I'll do it for you.
When I slap you now, you shut up.
Slap her.
Are you okay? Come on, go and tell her to go and fetch water. Let her fill the drum with water. After that, let her cook. What's that?
She's sleeping.
Come back and say that thing now.
It's not only she's sleeping. No, she should continue sleeping.
Who's sleeping?
That's what she's doing. This is sleeping. Then I'll come and do the work for her. She's sleeping.
Can you imagine?
Oh, don't mind that girl.
I'm not sleeping and she's sleeping.
No.
Who does that?
No, she's expecting me to come and fetch the water for her now.
Is there anything I can eat?
Yes.
Mama.
What are you doing here?
Mama, I want to tell you something, but please, don't tell him I told you so. Please.
Okay. What is it?
Mama, Odinaka is asking Ihoma out. And Ihoma likes him.
Odinaka? Which Odinaka?
Mama, don't you know Odinaka? Eh? Dima's husband now.
Yeah! Oh, God forbid.
Mama, lower your voice now. Lower your voice. Mama, I only came to tell you so that you do something about it. Eh? I didn't come here for you to fight her.
Okay. I have heard you. Just go back to your home.
Okay.
Denakawa, a married man, God forbid. None of my children will end up like me. Both of them will marry rich men only. Nana, this is time for me to do something. Nana has to marry Ihoma. Yes, I'll do something about it. Hey! You know what Bokoro Denaka? Hi. God, oh. I wish you could just drive past now. Right. Or better still, come into my shop. God. I need to meet him again, Biko.
Mama de mama. Mama Skosko.
Clifford, you're a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
Mama, why they look me this kind of eye now? What did I do?
What you know do? Why did you extort that kind of money from that man yesterday? What did you repair in his car? That you would take 50,000 naira. What did you repair?
Mama, number one, say you no be mechanic. You be mechanic. And they say now where man they work, now where in the shop. That's why they call him workshop. And the guy did capable, you know see him now. New watch.
New watch? Upon all the money you have been extorting from people, what are you doing with it? Now look, you see your life.
Yeah, Mama, don't insult me. Don't be insult, carry me come here.
What do you want?
No. And gin.
What else? What else will you use the money for? If not for film and gin?
See, I don't look you. If you don't say no go sell for me, just tell me where they go.
My friend, they go. What's that? You think I don't know that you patronize the other woman? Go there and buy now. Why are you here?
You know how they look you because say you na Cherenna mother. If not,
waiting
for now scatter the shop now.
You say?
I go scatter the shop now.
Scatter my shop.
I tell you.
This shop. Try it. I will call youths to come and beat you here. I don't even need the youths. Because I am capable. I will just beat you up. No, why are you running now? Why are you running? No, come now. Come and scatter my shop. Foolish one. Come. Thunder fire you there. You go scatter my shop. Come scatter them. If I not kill you here, idiot. Foolish boy. Hey! This boy na pure distraction. I don't even know if that my prospective in-law has passed. Ah! Rufus, it will not be better for you. Oh. You will not see good in your life. I'm asking the man has passed or not.
Cherenna! Cherenna! What do you think you're doing? Eh?
You're not blind.
No. Okay, you asking me what I'm doing.
I'm swimming.
Idiot. So, because Mama is not around, you had the guts to go inside her kitchen, open her pot, and dish food for yourself, eh? Who do you take permission from? Are you mad? Did I hear you well?
Yes, you did. I should take permission from you. Can you spell permission? Can you spell permission? So you want me to take permission from you? You are mad. Do you know how I cook this? After cooking this food, I should come and take permission from you. You know your mother is not around. Our mother is not around. If you say anything here, I will beat you black and blue. Try me.
Oh, you're asking me if I'm mad. Today you see madness.
Yes. You put me.
Why are you beating your younger sister?
Sister, why? Try like this.
You cannot do anything, witch!
What did you say? Sister, sorry.
Maybe because Mama is not around, Abi? Because Mama is not around, you have the guts to beat me. Wait, let she come back. They forbid you, way. So they would have killed you. You don't have respect. Can you imagine? Jesus Christ. You have not seen anything, no? You've not seen anything. You pouring rice. I didn't say.
Customer. What do you want?
Biscuits.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Which one? Okay, take now.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh.
Good day, Mama.
My son, welcome.
Thank you very much.
You came here yesterday.
Yes, Mama.
The person I brought mechanic.
Oh, yes.
Hey, welcome.
Thank you very much.
This one you came. You still need another mechanic.
No. I actually came to thank you for yesterday. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Just to thank me.
Yes, Mama.
Yeah. Thank you very much for that kind of money you dashed me yesterday.
It's nothing, Mama.
God bless you, my son.
Thank you. Bless you.
Thank you. Please, let me bring seat, Mama. Okay. What can I offer you?
Nothing.
No. I insist. Let me give you mineral.
No, Mama.
Oh,
fine.
Mineral. You're a nice person. See the kind of money you gave me yesterday.
Okay, Mama, go ahead.
Hey.
So, Mama, you said you have two daughters, eh?
Yes, so Ihoma and Ezinne.
Wow, beautiful names.
They are beautiful.
Oh, they must be pretty.
My son, if you go to her, Iko, especially Ihoma, if you see her, you want to fall in love with her.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Honestly, Mama, I like the way you talk about your daughters. Not all mothers will do that.
Thank you, my son.
I give you thumbs up.
Thank you. I've been looking for a man like you to be my in-law. Not all these village touts that have been disturbing them.
Oh, Mama, I was once a village boy. In fact, I'm still a village boy.
No, why? You cannot be a village boy, you're a city boy. See how fresh and handsome you are.
I'm telling you. Well, thank you very much for the compliment. Okay. All right.
Small.
Shouldn't be
Don't
looking
want
for
to burn
trouble.
my skin.
Shouldn't be looking for trouble.
Which trouble? No, I didn't do her anything. I only went and asked if I can join her. Next thing I knew, she threw the food and slapped me.
Inyoma, you're lying. Sister Cherenna that I know, she will not do this. She will even be happy that you're eating with her. But you must have said something to get her angry.
Isn't it? So you don't believe me, your sister?
The last time I checked, Sister Cherenna is also my sister.
That witch.
Keep your hand.
God, small, please.
My swag.
What's going on here?
Mama, welcome.
What is this? What's going on? What happened to your hand?
Mama, it's not that witch, Cherenna. She beats me up simply because I asked if I can join her and eat.
Cherenna did this to you? No. Cherenna had the guts to do this to your hand.
Mama, please calm down.
No.
Calm down.
Cherenna, today, Cherenna will beat me too.
Please, we just need to take her to the pharmacy first, please.
Oh, Cherenna!
Mama, Cherenna is not around. She just went out.
I am sorry for your wound. Let me take you to a nearby pharmacy. Alright?
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry, please. Stand up.
I'll join you guys.
That's alright.
Yeah, come.
No. There's no point joining them. Clear here. Arrange here. Sorry, my dear. Hey. Thank you, my son. Oh, thank you. Hi, Cherenna. God bless you.
God bless you too, Mama. We'll be right back.
Now, welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
My dear, how are you feeling now?
I feel better.
God bless you, Nana. Oh,
God bless you too.
Thank you so much. Oh, Nendo.
Mama, I have to be on my way now.
So soon?
Yes, Mama.
I thought you would eat with us.
Maybe some other time.
That will be tomorrow. By this time tomorrow.
Okay. Fine.
So, is there any special thing you want to eat? Just tell me, I can prepare it.
Mama, I'm cool. I'm fine. Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Then tomorrow.
All right, Mama.
Thank
My dear,
you.
please take care of yourself.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
Bye-bye, yo. Oh, bye-bye. Ngwangwa, take her inside. I'm waiting for Cherenna here. Take her inside. She will come and meet me here. So you had the guts to raise your stupid hands on my daughter.
Mama, I did not beat her up. I was eating and she came and threw my food away. That was what happened. I did not intentionally beat her.
Mama, it's a lie, oh. I only came and asked her if I could join her. And she threw the food away.
Why you lying? You and I know that you're lying. Hey, Mama, why are you lying now? Why are you lying? You and I know you are lying. Mama, she's lying.
Hey. I don't want to know who started it. I don't want to know who is lying. For you to have raised your hand on my daughter, you deserve to be punished.
Mama, I did not intentionally beat. I did not.
But Mama, she's also your daughter.
Will you shut up? Do you want to take the punishment for her? Oh, nonsense. You want my take?
Oh yeah?
Wait, let me give you the instruction. Because I don't want you to pity her. Give her 20 strokes of that cane. Show her your hand.
Oh yeah?
On one hand, that side. One hand.
Your mom, your sister.
Open your hand.
I'll slap you.
Open your hand. Who's your
now.
sister? When you were beating me, you don't remember I was your sister. Open your hand. Open.
It's okay now.
See, I'll use this letter now and hit your head.
If you miss anyone, 24. You miss another one, another 24. Yes.
Oh, Mama, please now.
I will use this left hand.
If I get caught, flog her.
Mama, please.
Keep your breathing to yourself. Okay, you're just waking up.
No, I'm just arranging the bed.
You're arranging? Yeah. Anyway, there's no problem. It's good news for you. Since you like to stay indoors, remain indoors for the rest of the day. Oh?
Thank you.
Make sure I don't see you outside. Yes, I don't want to see your brake lights outside at all.
What if I want to use the restroom, the toilet?
I don't care what you want to do. See, if you like, urinate on yourself. It's none of my business. But make sure you don't come outside because I'm having a visitor today. Someone I don't want him to set his eyes on you. Am I understood?
Okay.
Good.
Okay, let me go.
Hey, if you disobey me, you know what I'm capable of doing. Respect yourself. Let's stay here.
Okay, can I go?
Ah! Easy. Go and welcome him now. Okay, Samia. My son. Welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
How are you?
Fine.
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. No, look, Joe.
Hey, Mama, how are you feeling today?
I'm better now. Thank you.
You're welcome. I got you fruits. According to the pharmacist, you need lots of it.
Oh, thank you very much. That's so thoughtful of you.
You're welcome.
God bless
you.
God bless you too, Mama.
Oh, Ihoma,
Ma?
go and bring the food.
Okay, Ma. I'll be right back.
Then let us eat here now, okay?
Okay. So, the food is ready.
Oh, Zibo.
Mama, I can't see Ezina around. She
Oh.
not home?
She's at the shop.
Oh. But I didn't notice the shop was open.
It is. I'm a businesswoman. I open every day. Only on Sundays.
That's
I'm
good.
Jesu.
That's good.
Welcome.
Thank you, Mama. So, what did you cook?
I don't know. I cooked onubu soup.
Oh!
And
I'm so pressed. I wonder who is visiting that mother said I shouldn't come out. I don't want to urinate on my body. need to pee. What? My bladder.
Yomo, you're a very good cook. This food is delicious. Honestly, I can't even remember the last time I had a meal as delicious as this.
Thank you. Yes, sir. I trained my children well. My 2 daughters cook very well, especially you, Mama.
I see. Oh, that reminds me. Mama, what about your first daughter? Ilma told me that you have another daughter.
She has left home again. I don't know what her problem is. But please, let's not talk about her. Oh? Because
It's okay, if you say so. One more thing, Mama. Can I take some food home?
finish this one. Let me go and bring your takeaway.
It's delicious. I don't have a choice.
Let me go and bring it.
All right, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Ihuoma, don't stress our guests, though.
No, I won't.
I'm coming. Nah, eat, oh.
Okay, Mama. Wow.
Hope you're enjoying the food.
Yes. You're a good cook.
Thank you. So, Mama told me you'll be in this village for 2 months.
Yeah. She's right.
Okay. Will it be okay if I take you around the village?
That would be nice. You seem interesting to be with.
Thank you. You too. You're fun to talk with.
Thank you. Well,
Please continue your food.
let me enjoy my food.
Nah, the takeaway.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Hey. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much for the food, Mama. I enjoyed myself.
And thank you for honoring my invitation.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Bless you too, Mama. I have to take my leave now.
Okay.
But before I do that, I have something for you. Mama, this is for you.
Chimbo. All this money for me?
Just manage it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
God
Mama.
bless you.
Bless you too, Mama. And Ihoma,
Yeah?
this one is for you.
For me?
Please, don't touch Mama's money.
Thank you very
Don't
much.
touch Mama's money,
I
please.
won't. Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Onna.
All right,
God
Mama.
bless you.
God bless you too.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
All right,
you.
Mama. I have to run along now. All right. Ngbano, oh,
Okay.
Okay.
take care of yourself.
I will.
Onna.
Are you, Mama? My chef. All right. Take care.
Bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, Mama.
Bye.
Ngwanu. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.
Mama, Mama, you have your own.
Give me, let me hold
Mama,
it.
you said this one is for me. You have your. Bye-bye.
Oh, you did not sponsor the food, though. Go and clear that place. Okay.
I want to pee.
Hey, me too. Hey. Okay. You're free.
Thank you. So you and Nana are going out now? Since when did you two become so close?
I'm even surprised myself. But He's a cool guy. I think I like him.
I think he likes it. Because he won't keep hanging out with you if he doesn't like you.
I'll be the happiest girl on earth if he likes me. Isn't he? He's a big shot. And dating him is like winning a jackpot, you know. Some people will remain single. They will die single in this house. Very soon, Nana will come and ask for my hand in marriage.
Ihoma, why are you insulting her now? What did she do to you?
What?
Do you know she would have been married long ago if Mama hadn't disapproved her marriage with Obiora?
Mama did the right thing. Yes. And she'll remain our slave forever in this house. She's not going anywhere. She's not.
Slave? Sister Cherenna is not a slave.
Baby, I see. You better go inside if you're going to take sides with her. And let me concentrate on what I'm doing. What's all this?
You and Mama are being so unfair to Sister Cherenna.
Isn't it?
So unfair.
Go and look for something doing inside. I can see you don't have anything to do, Abi. Come on, understand my wickedness from. See this one. Put some right there. Come to tell me if my dress is fine or not, and then talking nonsense. Hey, don't spoil my mood for me. I'm going out to see my baby boy. I think I look good. Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
Sister, I'm fine.
Do you have an idea who came here yesterday?
Sister, you didn't get to meet him?
No, Mama said I should stay in my room. I shouldn't come out. God. Mama, why does she keep behaving like the stepmother in Cinderella's story? Eh? Why? Who is he? His name is Nana. He's one guy Mama helped. I guess he's the one Ihoma is going out with today.
Yes.
I think they like themselves. Really?
Yes.
And Mama is in support of it.
Yes.
I mean, in support of their relationship or whatever they do.
Yes.
Okay, continue with whatever you were doing, okay? Sister, are you okay? Okay. I'm very okay. Obiora, I don't know why my mother hates me so much. She didn't want us to be together. But she's there supporting Ihoma's relationship. What did I do? Obiora, I still love you very much. You're the only man I'll ever love. Please. Please come back to me, my love. Please.
Mama.
Wow. Take care of my daughter.
Who's about there?
Remember to bring her back on time.
Okay, Mama.
You want to go? Okay. Hey.
Mama, bye-bye.
Oh. I know.
Mama.
Eh? Oh. Elisa, why were you shouting my name like that?
Akudo, you're a bad friend. I thought you and I were best of friends.
We are now. Let's sit down, I don't understand. We are best friends now.
Akudo, I don't understand anymore. Honestly, I thought we were best of friends. And we don't used to hide things for each other. I mean, I don't understand. What is the problem? You didn't tell me that a woman now has a rich boyfriend.
Oh. I'm sorry. You know you went to Aba, and since you came back, we have not had time to gist. How did you even know about it?
I saw them now. I saw a woman entering the car. Nakudo. That car is fine, no? The guy looks rich.
He is rich.
Hey.
Hey.
So very soon now you have a rich son-in-law.
I thank God for answering my prayers.
Happy for you.
Thank you.
Auntie Cherenna. How are you, my dear?
I'm fine. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Auntie, I heard that you went to Aba. How is my friend? How is she doing and her husband?
They are fine.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm fine. Auntie, you're not looking bad.
My dear, thank you.
I missed you.
Missed you too.
Just go now.
Akudo.
We were discussing before she walked in.
My dear, you come to my house tomorrow. Oh, your friend actually gave me some dresses to give to you. I forgot.
Hey, Auntie, I'll come. I'll come tomorrow. I'll come.
Only.
Okay, I'll come.
Kabano now. I thought you wanted to go out.
Akudo. Akudo, so you have not brought yourself to forgiving this girl for things that happened in the past.
Elisa.
Looking at itself, she was very little when this thing happened. I'm not sure she will even remember anything that happened then.
Elisa, there's no way I will forgive that girl. Or the other possible.
Akudo, you and I know very well that this girl is not responsible for your husband's death.
So what are you insinuating? That I killed my husband?
Akudo, don't force words out of my mouth. That is not what I'm saying. But you and I know that this girl is not responsible for what happened to Pius.
Elisa, Biko, I don't just want us to have issues. Please. Please.
Well, my friend, I'm sorry. Ozugo.
Biko, next time, don't just mention her name when we are gisting.
Ozugo, you could tell me about your rich son-in-law.
Nana. Nana is very rich. And very soon, I'm sure he will be talking marriage.
Marriage?
Marriage, you know.
Hey! I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Very happy.
Thank you.
You now have a rich son-in-law.
Mama, you had to see the way he was staring into my eyes. He said, Ihoma, you're a very beautiful girl.
I know. I did not give birth to monkeys.
Yes, so
I gave birth to beautiful girls.
Mama, I'm not done. He said he believes in his heart that I'm a good girl.
Bam! Of course you're a good girl.
Yes.
Now, tell me, do you like him?
Mama, is that one even a question? I love him already.
Hey.
Mama, you see him? He's mine for keeps.
Usubono?
Yes.
You are soon to be a Mrs. Nana.
Bam. good evening.
Daisy.
Okay, welcome.
Welcome, my dear.
Thank you, Mama. Hey, Mama. Auntie Eliza came to the shop earlier on. I don't know, did she come here? Because I told her you were here.
Yes, she did. How was market today?
Market was fine, Mama.
Thank God.
That was your thought. The stories.
My dear, it was fine. He enjoyed my company.
That's good though. Did he actually say he likes you?
Come on now. Man instinct. I know when a man likes me.
That's green light. I just pray it takes you seriously so that it will lead to marriage.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Well, I will crown it up with my own amen.
Amen.
Now go and take your bath, okay, so that we can eat together.
Okay, Mama.
Welcome, Paul.
Okay. Mama, so to be. That's me right here.
I know. I'll be warming up for Omugo.
Of course, now. Thanks for the gift you bought for Mama. I will definitely give it to her when she returns.
It's okay. It's fine. That reminds me, I have been coming here for the past 2 weeks, and I haven't set my eyes on your elder sister. Is it that she doesn't live here with you guys, or?
She's fine. She normally isolates herself from everyone. Don't worry about her.
Are you sure?
Yeah. She's a big girl. She can take care of herself.
Alright. I'll see you tomorrow, right?
Sure. Yeah.
I have to take my leave now.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Wait. Why? You want to beat me? You want to be Mama, I'm just for Mama, please. You want to talk to me?
Yes. How far with you and Nana? We've been going out frequently these days.
Honestly, I don't know.
Which one is that you don't know? Hasn't he proposed yet?
No, Mama. And I'm desperately waiting for him to propose.
What is stopping him? Are you not beautiful enough?
I don't know, Mama. Maybe he's taking his time.
Let him be very fast about it too, because already I've started telling people that my daughter is getting married to a wealthy man.
Mama, let's just wait.
My patience is running out. It's running out. You play your part as a woman.
I'm doing my best here. Don't trust your daughter again. Do my best.
I don't know again. I don't know.
Ihoma, I have actually spent time with you. And the little time I spent with you, I realized you are different from other girls in this village. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to take you out of this village. You don't deserve to be here.
Nana. I'm speechless.
You don't have to be. Okay? Just say yes to me. Just say yes. And I'll give you anything you want.
Yes. Yes, I'll marry you.
You'll marry me.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you too.
Yenna merem duku, yenna merem duku, nano mapuri koya. Dance, sing and dance. Sing and dance. Yenna merem duku, yenna merem duku, nano mapuri koya. Sing it.
Yenna merem duku,
Otwa.
yenna merem duku, onumapu ikoya.
Yenna merem duku, yenna merem duku, onumapu ikoya. Hey! Chelunu. My daughters are getting married.
Yes, sir.
To rich men. They will relocate to Lagos. Hey! Hey, they are relocating. Only rich men with them. What is it? Again, you want to go where?
Papa, I want to pass.
Pass to where? You did not hear what I said. You don't want to tap to their grace? Tap into their grace and get married as well. Eh? My children! Where are you going?
Don't mind her.
Where are you going? You don't like any good thing.
They think I'll remain in my father's house, but God has put them to shame.
Yes, so they fail.
Mama, I don't like this thing you're doing. No.
You knock close your door and be happy for your sister.
I don't understand. You don't want to get married to a rich man?
Mama, please leave her alone.
Let's dance again.
Leave her alone. Nana is coming here by weekend. I'm not part of this one. I'm not part of
You're not part of this.
You don't need to be happy for your sister.
You don't like what? Nonsense.
What God cannot do does not
exist in one man.
Mama, I'm getting married.
Oh, you're taking me out of poverty.
Mama made me lose the only thing I love and cherished. I would have been happily married to Obiora with beautiful kids, if not Mama. Thank you, Mama. Thank you for being a stumbling block to my happiness. Thank you.
Sister Cherenna. Sister, are you crying?
Ezinne, why wouldn't I cry? You know, when I look at you and Ihoma, I am so jealous. I have craved for a motherly love. I don't know why Mother hates me so much. I don't know what I have done to her.
Sister, you didn't do anything. I think you need to stop listening to what Mama and Ioma are saying.
Their words are hurting, they are piercing through my heart. Even my own sister thinks I'm a witch. If truly I'm a witch, why am I here? Will I still be here? Look at me. Mother stopped the most important thing in my life, getting married to Obiora. She bluntly refused. Ioma is about to get married. What did I do? Why is our mother treating me like this?
Why would she go ahead to accept Obiora's husband to be and refuse I? Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? That is what I am asking.
Sister.
Why doesn't she want me to be happy? Why? Why?
Sister, it's okay. Okay? Come here. It's okay. You need to stop crying. You need to stop crying. It's okay. I'm so sorry. Even if everybody's against you in this house, I am here for you. Okay?
Are you going to marry me?
Sister.
Thank you.
Mama, I really love your daughter and I would like to make her my wife.
Chai.
I said I should come see you first to discuss my plans before bringing my people to perform the marriage formalities.
Yeah. My son, Imo Fuma, you did well. No problem. I'm happy that she will end up with someone like you.
Oh yes, I love her and I will not do anything to hurt her. Yes.
I trust you. You can actually call your people. Come with your people so that you can perform the marriage rites.
Who is she?
Oh, that is Sister Cherenna. She's our elder sister.
Your sister?
Yes.
Please, are you alright?
Oh yes.
Pay her no attention.
I'm fine. Never mind. So, Mama, where were we?
Marriage. Yes. You can call your people so that you can perform the marriage rites.
Yes, Mama. I'll do that. In no time, oh. Very soon. Very soon, Mama. Very soon. Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I should be the one thanking you.
Oh. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Cherenna.
Do I know you? What is this?
My name is Nnanna. I am getting married to your sister. Do you remember me? I was the guy who offered to give you a lift sometime in the past.
I don't remember you. And is that why you stopped me under the rain? Like under this rain?
I am sorry about that, okay? But please, I need your blessings.
My blessings?
Yes.
You said you're getting married to my sister, right?
Oh, yes.
Why don't you go ahead? What is stopping you?
But
don't you ever stop me on the road again, especially under the rain. Idiots. Go get out. Go and marry her now. We want to stop you. Go and marry her.
Cherenna.
You are mad.
Why is she so harsh? I don't understand. Too bad. I actually liked her the first time I saw her, but now I like another. And that person happens to be her sister.
My friend, I'm really happy for you. All of your daughters will be getting married very soon.
Yes, so he will be coming to pay her bride price in a few days.
Hey, thank God though. Yes.
Omaka.
Hey. Ako. Ihoma cannot get married just yet.
Why?
Why? Have you forgotten the tradition? Tradition that states that the younger, cannot get married before the elder.
Chimo. Ihoma
Ihoma cannot get married whilst Cherenna is still at home.
Yeah. You're right though. How did I forget tradition? Hey, so what are we going to do now?
You see it now? I was telling you then. Allow this girl get married to that boy that proposed to her. Ijo.
I was just being stupid. Eh? I thought I was punishing her. When is there room come?
Aku, you forget that when one finger is pointing at someone, the remaining 4, they are pointing back at us. Now what are we going to do?
I don't know. But no matter what, Ihoma must marry Nana.
What sort of stupid tradition is this, hey Mama? There is no way I'll put my marriage with Nana on hold because of one stupid tradition. I will get married to Nana, and I don't care about the tradition.
No, Mom, you must care. You must care. Because you will care about the tradition. If you don't follow the tradition, calamity will befall this family.
God forbid.
Thank you very much.
Mama, there's no such thing as calamity.
That is why we have to get Cherenna married.
But Mama, how are we going to get her married in a hurry? The only man who volunteered to marry her has left the village. How are we going to get her married when there's no man in her life?
And who says there's no man in her life?
Really? Who is that? Mama, are you sure she will agree to this?
Yeah, she will agree. Even when she does not want to agree, we'll make her agree.
Yes.
She has to. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
What is it?
I hope you are aware that your sister is getting married in a few days.
Ah, congratulations.
And you're also aware of the tradition. The younger one will not get married before the eldest. You are aware of where?
So how has that got to do with me?
That's a lot to do with you. I called you to let you know that you're getting married tomorrow.
Getting married to who?
To Aloysius.
Mama Aloysius, that's village tout.
Just keep quiet.
Oh well, it's not possible. It can never happen. I can never get married to. In fact, I have actually I forgot to tell you, I've made up my mind that I am never going to get married. We are all going to be unmarried with you in this house forever and ever till thy kingdom come.
You lie! You lie! You must get married to Aloysius. So this has been your plan, Abi? No. This is your plan.
My dear sister,
it won't work.
I know it will not work.
It won't.
But it will work.
It won't.
Because it's not my plan, it's our mother's plan. Mama, remember, of course you remember, 4 years ago when Obiora came to you that he wanted to marry me. You bluntly refused, Mama. You refused that no matter, in fact you said I will never get married in your words. Mama, you are wicked though. So you want me to get married to the village tout? Not even any other better person. You call village tout. Mama, it will not happen. Like I said, we will all remain unmarried in this house till we die.
Well, Cherenna, I did not call you to beg you. I called you here to let you know that Aloysius and his people are coming tomorrow to seek your hand in marriage. So be prepared. Go in, pack all your things, because you will also go with them tomorrow.
Okay, I'm following them.
Yes.
Mama, don't waste your time. There's no need wasting your time because Cherenna Ngozi, daughter of late Pius Ngozi, will never, ever get married. Mama, we are not even... See, just count yourself. 3 of us, we will never get married.
Sister, please. It's only you that won't get married. In fact, you are getting married to Aloysius. Mrs. Aloysius, you've gotten married already.
I don't talk too much. Why are you bothering yourself? Let us wait till tomorrow. When Aloysius will come. By tomorrow, let us know who will get married and who will not get married. I don't talk too much now.
Mama, this has just confirmed that Cherenna is a witch.
Yes,
you are a witch.
I like
this has just confirmed.
My dear, so don't worry. I like the fact that I'm a witch.
You will marry Aloysius. You will marry. In fact, you have finished marrying him.
Let me tell you, you are wasting your time. Let me tell you.
Mama, I will get married though. I don't know what you're talking about.
This is my revenge for what you did to me 4 years ago, Mama. As long as I did not get married to Obiora, the love of my life, nobody will get married. Oh, Mama. Mama, your heart is bitter. So you hate me this much. You hate me this much. Okay? The stone that the builders rejected has now become the chief cornerstone. Mama, we will never get married. Thank God for tradition. Get ready. We'll die here unmarried.
Sister, be tomorrow. You are married to Aloysius. You will get married to Aloysius.
She's just ranting.
Mrs. Aloysius.
She's ranting.
Mama,
come on, get out.
Even you.
Come on, get out. Idiot.
Okay.
Foolish girl.
Mama, you hear what she's saying?
I know fear.
Mama, she must get married though. Me, I cannot wait for her.
Why are you bothering yourself? Wait for tomorrow to come. Aloysius will come with his people. Marriage will take place. Abi?
Yes.
Then Aloysius will carry her home.
Exactly.
Simple.
They're running her mouth.
So don't bother yourself.
Mama, so you want to marry me off to Aloysius? Mama, you want to marry me off to Aloysius? Hey, Mama, if I go out there and they're still there, Mama, I swear to God, I'm going to use this hot water and pour it on their body and they will have scars for the rest of their lives. Trust me.
You will not do such a thing now.
Tell them to leave that place. Tell them to leave that place, oh, Mama.
Bring your voice down. Leave where? Calm down now. Don't try to do what you want to do.
They should just leave. They should leave. Mama, this water is very hot. I swear, if they don't leave, I will use this water and put and they will live with scars in the rest of their lives.
You're not demonic, or are you?
Mama, you want to try me, Abi? Okay.
Cherenna.
Mama, what just happened here?
Cherenna said she will pour hot water on Aloysius and his kinsmen.
Hey! Mama, that girl is a witch. She's a witch.
She's demonic. She's even boiling your food.
Hey! It's boiling, oh!
My love, please calm down, okay?
How can I calm down when my own blood sister is deliberately putting my marriage on hold? We're supposed to get married soon, but now we can't. How could she be this wicked to our own blood sister?
It's okay. It's okay, please. Look, I promise to wait until she finally agrees to get married. Yes.
You promise you won't give up on me?
Come on, babe. Why would I do that? Listen, I love you, and that's what matters. Okay? I really love you.
Thank you so much, baby. I love you so much.
Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
All right.
Olisa! Olisa!
Okay.
Olisa! Olisa, oh my God! Oh my God! You're looking so different!
You're looking beautiful.
Oh my God!
Oh boy. How have you been?
I'm so fine. You look so good. Is this your car?
Relax. Relax.
Is this your car?
Relax. Oh my God. How are you doing?
I'm okay. Look at
Beautiful as
you.
always.
Thank you so much. Olisa, I thought you've left me.
Left? How? I don't understand.
Stop it. You know what I'm talking about.
I don't know. Tell me
I
that.
heard you married a white woman and you left me for her.
Me? No, nah. You know I can't do such a thing. Come on. Listen, I'm going to explain to you better.
Okay.
Just.
Oh,
After 8 months, I got released from jail. Then I met Clarissa. She was about 84 years old. She liked me and I had no choice than to get married to her because I needed the stay document. But I never stopped thinking about you. So after a year, she passed away and built everything to my name. As we speak, I have a big company right now. And you know I can't handle the company alone when my love is not there with me. That's why I'm here.
Oh, Lisa, I missed you so much. And you know I've been waiting all these years for you. And even when I heard you got married, I disregarded the news because deep down I know that you cannot leave me. And here you are.
You know I love you so much, isn't it?
I love you too.
I love you so much and I'm sorry for the pains that I caused you.
It's okay. I mean, you're here now and it's worth all this pain. Come here.
What is it?
Mama, Olisa is back from Germany.
Olisa. Wait. Olisa. Your secondary school friend.
Bam.
That went to Germany. Bam. Son of Chief Okonkwo.
Mama, you know him. He's back. Mama, guess what? He came fully loaded.
Chai. Not what?
That's not all. Mama, he said he came back for me. And he wants to marry me. And take me back with him to Germany.
Germany? You?
Mama, I cannot miss this opportunity, Mama.
You cannot miss it, Mom. Left to me alone, you cannot miss it. But the only problem and obstacle you will have is your best friend, Cherenna. You know she's the reason Ihoma is still at home. Because she refused to get married.
Hey, Mama.
If she gets married to Aloysius, your sister will marry. You two will marry. The only person who can talk to her is still you. No other person can talk because she loves you so much. Go and talk to her. She might agree.
Mama, you're correct though. Because I cannot miss this opportunity.
You cannot though.
She has to marry Aloysius, whether she likes it or not.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will talk to her.
Chebe, go now. Go and talk to her now.
No. Mama, I can't go now. It's too late. I'll go tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Talk to her.
Okay.
Come in. Sister Cherenna. Isn't it? How are you?
I'm fine. Good morning. Good morning.
Isn't it? You didn't go to the shop?
No. I need to speak with you.
I hope I'm safe.
Yes.
Sister, what is it? What's the problem?
I needed to speak with you. Sister, well, Olisa is back. Sister, Olisa is back from Germany.
The same Olisa, you know?
Yes. He came back for you.
But wait though, I thought I heard he got married over there.
No, he came to the shop yesterday and he told me everything.
Oh.
In fact, he said I'm going to join him to Germany too.
You're going to Germany?
Yes.
Hey, Obodo Yibo. My sister. That's good though.
Yes. Sister, I know I love you.
You know I love you too. You know that, right?
I know.
Okay.
Olisa is planning to get married to me.
Okay.
Sister, you know I can't marry him unless you and Ioma are married as my other sisters. I have been waiting for Olisa. And now he's back to marry me and take me back to Germany with him. I can't miss this opportunity, sister. Please. For the sake of my happiness, I need you to marry Aloysius so that Ioma and I can get married.
Hey, isn't it? I should marry Aloysius.
Yes.
I'm sorry. You know I love you so much. And I want your happiness. But you see, your mother, our mother, never allowed me to marry the love of my life, Obiora. And if I accept to marry Aloysius or any other man, that means Ioma would get married to the love of her life. This is not like a revenge or anything, but you see, you know how that's how life is. I am not ready to get married yet. So I'm really sorry.
This is no longer about Mama and Ioma. It's about me. It's about my happiness.
What about my happiness? What about my happiness? Am I a stick, a broom, a plastic? What do you think I'm made of? Water runs in my vein? I have my life. I also want to be happy. So if I am not happy, nobody's happy. Oh yes! That is how life is.
Mama, I'm hearing voices. I think they're arguing.
I think so too.
Now I know why Mama and Ioma hate you so much. You're a wicked person. I stood by you. I held your hands. And now I want you to repay me by marrying Aloysius and you can't? What kind of wickedness is this?
I'm a wicked person. Well, you see, I am not ready to get married to Aloysius, Ulusius, Ulasius, or any other man.
You are a witch. You are a wicked.
You slapped me. Get out of this room.
You slapped me. I said get out of my room. Are you mad? Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Oh, get it.
Mama, she refused. She said she would never marry Aloysius. Mama, why is that girl so selfish? I told you. I told you that witch doesn't care about anyone else but herself. But you didn't listen. You were doing good and compassionate, sister. Now you've seen it for yourself. Ioma, Cherenna does not know what I'm capable of doing. I will make life difficult for Cherenna in this house until she marries Aloysius.
Eh? She even had the guts to slap me.
Eh? She slapped you?
Mama, she slapped me.
Cherenna slapped my daughter. Today I will kill her.
Yes. Yes, Mama. Kill her.
So, you had the guts to beat my daughter?
Mama, she insulted me.
Who are you? Mama. She insulted, in short, beat her back.
Hey, Jesus! Mama!
Join!
She slapped me. She slapped me. You had to slap me. You had to slap me.
Beat!
Jesus!
Beat! Is she fighting back? If she's fighting back, tell me.
Babe, I thought your sister used to have a boyfriend. What's that his name again?
Obiora.
Yeah, Obiora. What's up with him? You know, back then they were talk of the town. What happened and why haven't they gotten married?
Babe, it's actually a very long story. She wanted to marry Obiora, but Mama refused.
That's bad. Now she's refusing to get married to Alyoshu's because her mom refused her from getting married to the love of her life.
Exactly.
So what are we going to do now? You know time is not on our side.
I know. And we've been trying to pressure her, but she's been proving so stubborn. Eh? But see, I will deal with her. I will tell her that she's not stubborn. She must marry that luscious guy whether she likes it or not. Eh? She wants to now use her own and spoil my own.
Babe,
what kind of wickedness is that?
Relax, babe. You know she's still your elder sister. We just have to be in a good book with her, you know.
Good books. I am done being on a good book with that girl. I am done. She will see the other side of me. What kind of wickedness is that? Who does that? Eh? Is she not a witch?
Babe, relax. Calm down, eh? Calm down. You're the love of my life. Come on, smile. Oh, you're overreacting, eh?
How are you?
Babe, I've missed you. How's Lagos?
Lagos is fine. My love, why don't you come live with me in Lagos?
Babe, we've talked about this. I can't leave this village until I'm married.
We have been waiting for months. Yes. At least we can start living like husband and wife until your sister is ready. Babe, it is really difficult staying far away from you. The distance is killing.
Babe, I know. You promised you're going to wait for me, right?
Yes, and I don't intend breaking my promise.
But how long will I continue to wait? Ihoma, I am a man.
Babe, I understand. I understand what you're going through. But just exercise a little patience. We're already making life difficult for her at home. Very soon, she will get married to Aloysius. And we'll get married. And we will live together as husband and wife. So just please exercise a little patience.
It's okay. I love you. And I do not wish to... I can't afford to lose you.
I love you too.
So, how is Mama and this in there?
They're fine. They're okay.
Okay. I have something for you.
Really?
Yeah, just come with me.
Mama, I think we should send her out. Mama, once she's on the street and suffer hits her, she will have no choice than to come back and marry Aloysius.
Mama, isn't it has a point though? We know Cherenna can't live without us. If not, she would have been gone. But she stayed and endured everything. Sending her out is the only way to get her to accept Aloysius' proposal. Bam.
You must leave. You're not welcome here at all. You're going home. You are going. Please, take down.
Please, Mama, get out. Get out of here.
Mama, because you people are my only family. Where do you want me to go to? Like, where? I don't have anywhere to go to. Please, this is my father's house.
Which your father? The one you killed?
I did not kill Papa. Mama, why are you talking like this? How can I kill my own father now? How can I?
Just get out of my house!
Please. Please,
did I hear you call my name? You have refused to marry Aloysius. So there is no space for you in this house again, Okwaya. Oh yeah.
Leave!
Handle.
Just leave my compound. I don't want to talk to
Some
you.
of us are going. Go.
You have somewhere to go to go.
Please.
Just go.
Please.
Lawa.
Leave. Oh.
Go.
You sound like fly.
Do here.
Cherenna, you mean Akudo and her daughters sent you out of the house simply because you refused to marry Aloysius? Why would she do a thing like that? That I've been keeping quiet is because I just decided to mind my business. But no! Akudo has gotten out of hand. And someone has to put her in her place.
Auntie, she has been blaming me for the death of my father. I don't know how I caused the death of my own father.
Akudo cannot blame you for killing your father. If anybody has to be blamed, it has to be Akudo. Cherenna, let's go.
Auntie, what do you mean by what you just said? What are you talking about?
Let's go. Come with me.
Auntie, please, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there, please, I beg. I don't want to.
Cherenna, come with me, let's go. If there is anyone to leave that house, your father's house, it's Akudo. You are not responsible for your father's death. Akudo has no right to be in that house. Let's go.
Akudo, come out here. Akudo. Who is that now? Akudo, what is it? Why are you What is this witch doing in my house? What are you doing here? Akudo, my friend, get out of here!
Akudo, enough. So you actually sent this girl out of the house because she refused to marry that street urchin. Akudo, enough. Enough. I've kept quiet for too long, but I couldn't take it anymore. I couldn't stand by and watch you maltreat this girl for something she doesn't know anything about.
Eliza, please. You are my best friend. I don't want to do what I will regret. Let her leave this compound.
Akudo, do your worst. Do your worst, Akudo. How can I sit by and watch you maltreat this girl for something she doesn't know anything about? Is it because you're not her biological mother?
What are you, Auntie, what did you say? What did you say?
Just keep quiet.
You're not my biological mother. If she's not my biological, who is my mother?
Just shut up.
Cherenna, she's not your biological mother. Your mother was your father's first wife. We used to be best friends. But she died because she went into early labor. She caught your father sleeping with Akudo.
Mama, is this true?
Mama,
hey, Mama, what is she talking about? Auntie, are you saying the truth?
Cherenna, she's not your biological mother. And you are not responsible for your father's death either.
Elisa. Akudo, what did I ever do to you to deserve this?
Akudo, I warned you. Hating on this girl for no just cause. I warned you. I couldn't stand by and watch you.
Mama, why didn't you tell me that you're not my biological mother? Why didn't you tell me at least? I'll understand this whole maltreatment from you.
Cherenna, she can't tell you. She made a promise to your father not to tell you. Your father actually blamed himself for your mother's death.
My father blamed himself for my mother's... Then how come my father married her?
Because she pinned him down with pregnancy.
Hi.
Pregnancy that he wasn't even responsible for. Eh? She couldn't keep her legs in one place. Ona gari pium pium pium.
Mama, what is she talking about?
You're still asking. Pius Ada isn't your biological father. Even Ezinne here. Mama, yes. Even after marrying her, she could not still stay in one place.
Mama, who is our father? Who is our father?
I don't know.
Hey.
You should leave me.
Mama, why? Mama, why? Why? Why do this? Why?
Cherenna, you were not responsible for your father's death. She only accused you because you caught her sleeping with your father's friend Mekos and you told your father. That was actually what caused heart attack for your father and he died. Akudo, you are a bad friend and a bad mother. I couldn't take it anymore. Someone has to remind you that Cherenna here is the sole owner of this house and not you and these your children. She's here blaming you.
Mama! Hey, Mama, you're so disgraceful! You made me hate Cherenna! You told me she was responsible for Papa's death! Mama, how could you do this? Mama, you are evil. You are a wicked woman. Thank you. That is all I have to say. Thank you.
You're happy now, okay? You have achieved your goal. Your aims and objectives, Abi. Thank you.
Akudo, you're on your own. I warned you. From today, you cease to be my friend. Yeah!
Mama. Mama. I can't believe what I'm just hearing. I can't believe what I just heard right now. Mama. Hey. Mama, so you're like this. Mama. Mama, you're evil. You are evil. Hey.
Sister Cherenna.
What do you people want?
Cherenna, please, we've not come to fight, but to apologize. Please.
Apologize? You came here to apologize to me? Do you know the pains I had to go through? Do you know? I'm suffering. I suffered in my father's house. I became a slave in my father's house. Please. And you tell me to forgive you? Please forgive. After everything you did to me? Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I can't forgive you. No, I can't. I can't. Ihoma, you. You. Oh, God. Please forgive me. Please, I beg you. I know I've caused you so much pain. I know I've caused you so much pain. Please forgive me. Find a place you want to forgive me. Please, I beg you. I beg you, please. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please. Sister Cherenna. Please, I'm so sorry for pouring pepper with water on you. I didn't know what I was doing. It's okay. Please just tell me you stand about forgiving you. Thank you. You too are my sister. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Somebody's here to see you too.
Cherenna, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I ever did to you. I know I wronged you in so many ways, but please, forgive me. Forgive me, my daughter.
Please. I'm sorry. I'm forgiving you. Please don't kneel for me. Please, I'm forgiving you. I'm sorry. I'm forgiving you, Mama. I'm forgiving you. I only wanted you to love me like your daughter does. It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you. From my heart, I forgive you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So you need to lose this hair and make another one.
Sure.
Yeah, because it's not even small.
No, but you still look fine like this.
But I'm still anything for you. Who is that?
I don't know. That's not Nana's car.
Jesus!
It's so nice to see you.